Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how to get your company noticed on LinkedIn. Now, a lot of people ask themselves, like, what can I do to get people to become my company page followers? Or how can I get clients on LinkedIn? How can I make sales on LinkedIn? How to get prospects? And the answer is very simple and maybe not that intuitive to some people. You need two things. The first one is you have to get people to listen to you. And the second thing is you have to get people to talk about you. Why is it important that people listen to you? Because if they don't listen to you, there's no possibility of learning anything about you. Like, there is no way that someone would become a follower of one of your personal profiles. There's no chance that they would follow your company page. If nobody is following your company page, nobody is connecting to you, or nobody is following your personal profile, there is no follow-up communication. It oftentimes takes 7 to 10 interactions until someone is ready enough to become a prospect. Now, your first priority should be to get the right people to follow you, so you have an opportunity to send them follow-up information, because it takes on average 7 to 10 interactions until someone is ready to buy. So that's your priority. You want to get people to follow you. You want to get people to give you their contact information. There is a different hierarchy of how likely people are to give something up early on. The most easiest entry step is that someone is following you, subscribing to you. The next step is that they might join your email list. And then we're getting to the point where someone might send you a personal message or an email, or get onto a phone call, or get onto a meeting. So you want to keep this hierarchy in mind. Go for the easy wins first. It's much better to get someone to subscribe to you, who then decides at a later point to subscribe to your newsletter, who then decides at a later point to send you a message, than to lose the person right away because you're giving too much pressure. So that's the first priority. You want to focus on how to get people to listen to you. They will only ever listen to you if you have something of value to tell them. Normally, everyone is in defense mode, so they have to block out all the kind of noise all day long. There is an ad trying to get their attention. Hey. And they have to, no, I want to read my article. I don't want to get distracted. They're always in this fight mode. Everyone is trying to distract them. Everyone wants something from them. So you have to be the one standing out from the noise. You have to find something that is interesting enough, that is actually providing value enough for them to say, oh, actually, this doesn't seem so bad, or actually, this seems really interesting. I want to learn more about this. So the first point is you want to create interesting content, but that is only attracting a certain small subset of people. You don't want to create content that is attractive to everyone, because then you're getting everyone. The percentage of people in your audience who would be ideal customers is very small. You want to get this number really high. So whenever you're posting something, the post is showing up for the right people, and you're getting the engagement by the right people. And right people are always connected to other right people. So you're growing your network by just getting the right people inside. And it means you are not focusing on getting vanity metrics, like getting a lot of views or a lot of likes, comments. You're focusing on results, getting the engagement and the subscribers and the followers from your ideal customer profile. Now, this is step number one. This is how you can build a ton of business by people following you, by people subscribing to your newsletter, by people subscribing to your channel, by sending you messages. This is a really good approach. But even more so, it's important that people start talking about you, that people start sharing your content. That means your value is getting up even higher. When your value gets really, really high, people feel compelled to share this with their friends and network. So you can create value one-to-one, but if the value is not big enough, people won't share it. They won't talk about it. If something is so incredible outside of the norms, expecting up and beyond expectations, you will get people to talk about you. And this is how you truly start to grow. Now, I always recommend that you focus on building enough value to build an audience first. Once you have a certain momentum, you can scale this up by now providing more and higher quality value, so people start talking about you. This is level 2. Get people to talk about you, to discuss your products, to talk about you when you are not around. Now, Now, if you want to learn more about how to get people to listen to you and how to talk to you, how you can raise your profile for your LinkedIn company page, how you can turn leads into high quality customers, then make sure that you check out the link in the description. There is a way how you can contact me where I can teach you how to implement this in your business. And if you want to get more marketing videos about LinkedIn that actually work, make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And I'll see you in the next video.